What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing my first Valentine's Day nail set and I'm so excited. So I have a peel off base coat on because I'm going to be popping these off probably tomorrow. I have my extra long C-curve nail tips on and I have them cut down and shaped. I'm just going to be going in with the Beetles base coat and curing that for 30 seconds. So what is up guys? How are you? Are you excited for all of the Valentine's Day nail sets? I'm gonna try to do at least like 4, I'm thinking. But look at how cute this dampen dish is. I got it from Shein, so I'm just going to be putting my rubbing alcohol into my dish. And this is, I get a lot of questions like what slip solution I use, and it's just alcohol. I'm gonna be using the Macart Polygel in the shade A Siesta for this nail set. So I'm just going to let you guys watch the application process and enjoy. So I wanted to pop in here and just let you guys know that in this nail set I did not do my thumb, and the reason for that is because I slammed my thumb in my car door the other day, and even though it's not bruised or anything visibly, it still really hurts, and I don't want to put any product on it right now. So I know I had a tip on in the beginning. I was going to do it, and then I was like, you know what, I probably just shouldn't. So that is why you'll see in the rest of the video I'm not doing my thumbnail. My thumbnail is just vacant. She's empty. She's not taking clients. So yeah, after I finish this, I'm going to be rubbing down all of the nails with a lint-free wipe and rubbing alcohol to take the tacky layer off, and then I'm going to be going in and doing my shaping and filing. I wanted to show you guys that you do not need a nail drill to do nails. So what I did was I did my whole entire filing process with my hand file today. So I will let you guys enjoy that. So I have wiped down all the nails and gotten all the dust off of them. Now I'm going to start doing my nail art. I'm going to be using the Saviland gel paints, and they're the liner paints in red and black, and these are so nice. Like, the brushes are so nice. The pigment of the polish is really, really great. So I'm just going to be doing a black V French tip, and then I'm going to be doing lips on the nails as well.